got hooded eyes like me, girl, this is a good one. This is yet another way that you can apply eyeshadow if you have hooded eyes like I do. Sometimes it can be a little challenging. Sometimes we may see or follow someone on this platform that has, you know, all that beautiful lid space, and we're like, hey, I want to do that. I would love to do, you know, an eyeshadow look like that. Well, there are ways that you can achieve, you know, a look similar to those, but today I've got a way that you can apply eyeshadow if you have hooded eyes. So I would really love it if you would stay tuned, watch the whole video, and also please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and please don't forget the post notification bell. Well, it's time. Let's go ahead and get to the video. All right, so now we've got the face all put together. So now we're going to get into the hooded eye tutorial. The eyeshadow palette I want to use today is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey palette. A really beautiful palette, really great shades. This shade is the one though that I would like to use specifically for today's video. I'm going to start out with this and probably really only use this E55 Sigma brush. It is a flat shader brush. My eye is watering, so I've got a little moisture here, but we are still going to try and get through the video. So we've got this shade that we're just placing all over the lid, and we'll do that on both sides. Once we've got that shade placed down, we will just kind of extend that shade up. And the reason we want to do that is we want to make the lid appear to have more space than it does. If you have hooded eyes like I do, you've got this extra, what we call the hood, sitting on top of your lid, and it's like extra skin, if you will. So when I look dead on at you, some of my lid is covered up, so you can't see all of my eyeshadow. So the goal is to use this shade to make it appear that I have a larger lid space than I really do. So we're gonna just carefully extend that shade up and onto that hooded part of the eye. I'm gonna put some directly in the crease, and then just like I said, extend up just a little bit so that when I look dead on at you, you know, you see both shades. You see the shade that I have on my lid, and it extends up onto that hooded part of my eye. I don't normally apply eyeshadow like this. To me, it just takes longer. I would rather do it the way I normally do it, but I wanted to show you how if you have hooded eyes, you can take a flat shader and just carefully go up and into that folded area. Now, the few times I have applied eyeshadow this way, I really do like to use a brow bone shade right here, you know, in that area. So I'll probably try and find a shade for that. I'm just going to blend a little bit, really softly blend the edge of that shade. This is a Refer Shoto 03 brush, okay, just like that. And now I just need to find a shade to put in that brow bone area. What will I use? I don't know. You know what? I've got this MAC palette sitting right here, and I think it does have, well, it's not very light. It's probably not as light of a shade as I would like, but let's go ahead and try that one. I'm using another flat shader brush. This one is by Sephora, the Sephora brand, and it's a number 14. We're just going to place this right below that brow bone, or in that brow bone area. So for a person with hooded eyes, if ever I want to have that look of having a larger lid space, this is the technique that I use. I'm going to apply lashes and then we'll be back to see the final look. Okay, friend, the lashes are on and I love this look. I chose that shade from the Pat McGrath palette on purpose because I knew that it would really display the hooded eye tutorial really well, and I think it just came out so good. If you have hooded eyes and you kind of, struggle with eyeshadow application, here's a great way that you can apply eyeshadow, and it's easy. It's a little bit more time consuming if you ask me, but it's really easy and it comes out looking really great. So thank you so much for being here today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you enjoyed today's content, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and also subscribe. Every subscriber means so much to my channel because I am a small channel that's trying to grow in 2026. So I really do appreciate any support. So on this channel, you will enjoy sit down videos, I've got vlogs, and I've got shop my stash videos. So if you enjoy that kind of content, if you enjoy beauty, everything beauty, girl, if you enjoy it and love it like I do, I really do hope that you will become a part of the family. Well, I have to go, y'all, but I cannot wait to see you in my next video. But until then, friend, please be safe and always be blessed. Bye-bye.